Whenever honey is thin and runny in the winter, get worried. It's got sugar in it. My children used to put honey on their porridge, dig it out like candied honey, but as soon as it goes in the porridge, it melts. So can you see that? It's a great illustration because the honey's quite dark. That honey's just sitting there with the onion, but in about an hour, you'll see a syrup form. Now, this is a cough mixture, and if someone's got a bad cough, they can have a teaspoon of that 3 times a day, or a child could have a half a teaspoon 3 times a day. So if your child's coughing very badly, give them a teaspoon of onion syrup, chop up the onion in 2 plastic bags, wrap it on their feet and put them to bed. They should and you should have a nice sleep that night. So that's another thing that you can do with the onion is the onion syrup.